I was scared to wake up early in the morning, and I woke up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. After a nice and refreshing shower, I need a coffee. And you know what? These Americans, they drink coffee almost every day. So, coffee time. We Turks, we also love coffee, but we love the Turkish coffee. Good morning, I'm staying in this lovely Airbnb house of my friend. If you are wondering about the Airbnb place where I stay, let me know in the comments. I will make a detailed video about this Airbnb. If you ever come to Miami and looking for an Airbnb, this is such a good solution. I'm gonna make a detailed video about this Airbnb house. The house I stay, such a beautiful house. Do you want a little house tour? Let's go. This is the street where we stay. This is the street where the house is, and this is the house I'm staying. Let's go inside. This was a short video of the garden. I will show you later on my Airbnb, but I'm going for breakfast now. The first thing, of course, I'm going to visit the Apple. I'll go to the shopping mall to pick my phone. Alright, let's go! The best things I like about the United States, the cars and the houses. My friend has got a truck, which I love. I love trucks. Driving in the United States. Wearing mask is mandatory here, so we are keeping our masks always on. I made it to the Apple, and all Apple stores are like this. You need to have a reservation to get inside the Apple store, otherwise they don't let you in. My favorite shops in the shopping mall in the United States, Abercrombie, and of course the Apple store. And Hollister, well, it's kind of teenage, but I like Hollister. Rolex. Well, I have a watch collection. No, I don't. I don't have too much money. Of course, Victoria's Secret. I've seen the Tesla shop behind me. I'm gonna go. I hope I can sit inside the Tesla. By the way, are you wondering about the prices, car prices in the United States? Just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make a video for you. Again, the security guys came and they said no recording in the shopping mall, no recording in the stores and etc. So I said I'm gonna do the vlogging. I can talk to the camera, but I cannot record the stores. So it's forbidden. Well, I'm ending this shopping mall video here. Let's go back home. I would like to buy a lot of stuff, but the dollar rate in my country is just too bad. $1 is like 8 lira, so I'm not able to buy anything from here. There are things that I would love to buy, but it doesn't seem possible. Tell me guys, seriously, what are you wondering about the United States? Just comment below, I will make it for you. The other thing I like about America, the roads. The roads are so wide. 5 lanes, 6 lanes roads. It makes driving really fun in this country. I'm done with the shopping mall. I'm heading back home to Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Let's go.